Well, hello, Behancers. You know, some days you just don't feel terribly inspired. Well, to be honest, today was one of those days for me. But a friend of mine sent me a track of a song that I've known for years, done in a totally different arrangement. And this was so inspirational, I just felt like I had to play it for you now. So I'm probably going to botch the words a bit, but you should dig it anyway, hopefully. Dig this. Got a smile, it seems to me, reminds me of childhood memories, where every day was as fresh as a bright blue sky. Now and then I see her face, it takes me to that special place, and if I stay too long, I'll probably break down and cry. Oh, 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 sweet child of mine. Oh, 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 sweet love of mine. She's got eyes of the bluest skies, and if they thought of rain, I'd hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. Her hair reminds me of a warm sleep place where as a child I'd hide and pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. And that's all for today.